Salut les amis, c'est Madame Chidobiak encore. I wanted to give you a couple of options for things to do once you're finished your schoolwork. A lot of you have been asking me, I'm done everything that I need to do this week. What else can I do? And I love that you're also keen to get extra work done. So let me show you on here some different options to be able to kind of add to your learning or some extra fun activities that you can do when the rest of your schoolwork is done. All right, so if you go to our class website, there's a couple different things you can do. If you click on classwork, that will take you to the work that we need to do for the week. You know that already. But if you kind of hover over classwork without clicking on it, you can click on options and extras. So this is stuff that you don't have to do, but that you can do if you're bored. So I've recorded myself reading you Les Sept Pyjamas du Chat, if you would like to listen to me reading you a story. Remember a few weeks ago, Miss Morrow came in to tell us about, she's got a rock collection that she was really excited to show you. You can click on her video here. Mrs. Niven's class has started incubating chicken eggs, and they are growing in her classroom. And there's also a Facebook page for the farm that they got them from, and they're putting up videos all the time about how the eggs are developing, and when they hatch, they'll have videos of the chicks that you can look at. So you can click on here. Your parents might need to help you out with that because it is a Facebook page, and I don't think you have to sign in to check out the videos, but you may, so ask your parents for help with that one. If you scroll up to the top again and you click on links, there's a couple other links that you can get to. So if you want to do typing club or mathletics, I know you all have your logins for that, and you can click on either of those. Those will take you right to the site. There's also Miss Yorshidi's music page on here that I'm going to have you go to every now and again. He's putting up new content all of the time, and he is really, really excited about you guys checking out his stuff. So when we click on here, up at the top, excuse me, there's grade 3. And so we've got some different stuff on here as well. He's also got a story of the week for everybody to listen to, which is really great. So we can check out Miss Yorshidi's music page, which is totally wonderful. And on Teams, there's even more stuff. So what I was saying earlier is there's a bunch of things that I have bought that you can have access to on here. So if we click on Français, boop, if you click on Files, there's de la musique, so you can click on this, and there's actually a bunch of songs and things that you can listen to on here. Click on a folder, and then you can click on the files, and there's some really cool music on here to listen to. If we go back, there's Des Histoires à écouter. Unfortunately, on here, there's not the pages, there's not the pictures or videos that go with them, but there's Frisson l'Écureuil, Robert Munch, and you can just listen to stories. You can pop on your headphones and you can listen to some stories in here. If we go into Teams as well, if you want some extra math to do, again, click on Files. And so I know that I showed you the textbook a little earlier, but there's also test de vitesse if you want to get ahead on those. Remember that you want to set a timer for about 2 minutes to do your test de vitesse, and then have mom or dad or an older brother or sister help you correct them. But there's also a booklet on here called J'aime faire les additions et les soustractions. Now, this is a little bit of a longer book. You can see on the bottom there's 54 pages on here. And I know that that's going to be really tricky for families to print because maybe you don't have a printer, or maybe your printer is out of ink. If you have a printer and you want to print that off, definitely ask mom and dad before you do that. But there's a ton of different activities to do on here. So You can look on here. It's all in French, of course, but if you need help, you can look on Google Translate for words, or mom and dad can help you, or you can ask me to help you out to translate these, or if there are words that you're having trouble with. But this is a ton of different math to do. If you can't print it, you can just write out the questions on a piece of paper, and you can do them that way. Or you can just look through it all. There's so much more math to do on here, okay? And then too, if we click back on Teams, if you click on Anglais, I think I put some more, yeah, stories to listen to on here. And so just like in the French file, there's a ton of stuff for you to listen to on here. We've got some short stories. So if we click on here, we've got Robert Munch. We've got some Magic School Bus on here that you can listen to. And all of this is stuff that I have purchased that is okay for you to listen to on here. And then if we click on Options and Extras, again, if we click on Files, I want to show you how to do this because this is one of my favorite activities to do. But if you want to print this off, this printable, this is really cool. So it says, instructions, use your imagination to create a picture out of the shapes and abstract lines in each of the squares. So you would take this shape, and if you print it off, you can turn it, you can twist it, turn it upside down, see what it looks like. And you could use your imagination and finish the pictures that are on here. I'm going to be posting to here and to the classroom website a ton of new links, some physical activity to do once it starts getting nicer and you can go outside, or I'll link to some Just Dance videos that you can do on here. I can show you how to create a Go Noodle account so you can do the dances and the songs and the crazy activities that are on there. So keep an eye on the Teams site, keep an eye on the classroom website, and there's going to be so much extra to keep you busy. So you definitely don't need to do this every day, but if you're bored, if your parents need some extra activities to keep you busy, this is a great place to be. As always, please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have an awesome day. I love you a whole bunch. We'll talk to you soon, kiddos. Bye-bye.